thought I'd be the man by 19.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lola Safe. If you didn't know, now you know. The theme for the diaper cake today is going to be royal prince teddy bear / jungle theme. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own diaper cake for a baby boy shower. I've done some research, so I'm going to try it out for the very first time. I have all the supplies and everything that's going to be used in this video. You guys can check the description box for everything that I'm using. Most of my items are from Amazon, and if y'all ready, let's go. Let's get into this diaper cake because I'm excited.
And then some. The same dude who got booed and shit it done.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. And even though this is my first time attempting a diaper cake, I have a creative touch, so I trust that my diaper cake is still gonna come out lit. I have 200 packs of diapers. This is how they come. I'm finna have some rubber bands, and then I'm finna tie these around. I'm finna do the folded method because it's much faster than trying to ball all of them up with rubber bands. And then we're gonna go from there, and make sure you have a empty toilet paper cardboard holder. Basically make sure you have one of these, and we're gonna go ahead and start folding and rubber banding up the diapers. Okay, so the way that I'm rolling up the diapers is the loose part, I'm folding that first to tuck it up real tight, and then I'm just rolling it around. So you don't want the loose end coming off. And then the rubber bands, I'm not tying them super tight. I'm just doing like 2 go arounds. I'm only gonna roll about 6 of these, and then it's gonna go around this right here. So this is kind of like my base to get it started. I want them to go around like this. That's how you want to start it off. And honestly, you don't even have to use this, but some people like to. For what I'm trying to do, because I'm trying to do like a jungle royal theme, I need to use this. The first layer, I'm not even gonna fold them. I'm gonna do them just like this, and I'm gonna put them around the base. I'm not gonna fold it for the first layer, which is the bottom. So I have my base, and I took out another pack, and all I'm doing is putting it around, you know, the base of it. So I have to open up another pack. Okay, and so if you're extra, I'm extra, we on the same page. I know y'all seen the diaper cakes where they add extra things that the baby can't use inside the diaper cake. This is the time to do it now. So like I got like little extra socks, and I got baby bottles. The cake is supposed to be royal blue, so I try to keep everything blue. This is the time where you would like stick these extra little stuff that the baby could use inside the diaper cake. Okay, so I have me some yarn here. This is actually like crafter yarn. So, and I'm just gonna tie it around the diaper cake. So something like this. Okay, so it's not super tight. I have the first string. Now I'm gonna take that same yarn, and I'm gonna go back around it one more time because I want it to be nice and secure. And you wanna make sure it's kind of like in the middle. Okay, so I'm actually kind of surprised that this is turning out pretty good and self-explanatory. It's not too hard to put together. You basically just need a free Saturday and a lot of patience, and I feel like anybody can actually do this. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the ribbon now. Okay, so I'm making sure that the diaper cake is nice and flat, and I'm just securing the ribbon. Now I'm finna cut it. And because I'm still building the cake, I don't want to glue anything yet, so I just use like these little clips to just hold it into place before I start gluing anything. Okay, so this is a cardboard poster from Dollar Tree. It's very thick. You can do this one of 2 ways. You can leave it just like this and put it underneath the diaper cake, because remember, you just need it for support as you're carrying it. Or you can go ahead and cut a circle if you don't want the edges and stuff sticking out. Okay, so I'm using this blade craft cutting tool to cut out the circle. If you try to do this with scissors, it's not gonna be easy. Okay, so I got my circle here. I didn't use any real measurements for this. I just want a bigger base. It's gonna be covered anyways with leaves. So flip it on the back and take that same tool and go around the same part that you was cutting. We got us a bigger base now. that's gonna go underneath our diaper cake. Okay, so I have me a pack of like jungle looking leaves, and only thing that's under here is the base. And I just place my leaves on top of this. I just let maybe like just the edges dangle a little bit, but not too much. And I haven't glued anything or nothing, y'all. I'm gonna put my cake right on top. Okay, and once you secure the bottom, make sure that the leaves cover up like the edges. And so far, this is how the base of the cake looks. So I'm just moving the leaves in place the way I need them. Okay guys, for the sake of time, you already saw how I did the bottom of the cake. I'm gonna go ahead and do the second layer and the top layer, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I just finalize and put everything together. It's coming out pretty good. It's coming out pretty good. I'm very proud of myself. YouTube, so I'm gonna pause for a second because I've reached the top of the cake. Remember, I want this to look like a jungle theme, so I want the top to kind of look like a little palm tree. But this is a palm tree, okay? It's not done yet. So if you somebody who don't like a lot of glue and mess, I'm just filling out the foundation. So I got this part okay. So I can go ahead and start adding my final layer to the cake. This is the last pack of the 200 diapers. So I lied, y'all. I actually did have to rubber band all of them like this just for the top part because it was being too big, and remember I want the cake to be layered, so I had to wrap a couple of these around. Now I'm gonna wrap the ribbon, and that means I have so many extra diapers that didn't get used. And it's basically done, y'all. I'm just adding in extra diapers wherever they'll fit. Now that I have my cake exactly how I want YouTube, all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add this gold rhinestone around the blue ribbon everywhere I want it. I'm gonna glue that in place, and I'm gonna glue my blue ribbon in place, and we're practically done. Everything after this is basically little extra like accessories and decorating. So stay tuned for the end of the video, and I'm gonna show you guys the fully complete cake, okay? I know you guys have some questions about how everything got finalized and put together at the end, because I basically just showed you how to put the diaper cake together. I didn't show you exactly how I put together the accessories. The monkeys are not glued to the diaper cake. I actually use these little clips. The same clips I used in my video, I use these to grab the monkey's back, and then I use it to just grab the edges and to place him on there like that, you know, because I want to use very minimum glue with this. This A is not glued on here or anything, and it does light up. I bought this crown topper from Amazon that's also in the description. You guys can click on the link. And I just hot glued this crown onto the monkey's head. So this material here is actually called burlap. I went and did the research and figured out what it was that I was using. And then I actually took that bottle from the bottom, and do you see how I kind of placed that underneath there? And honestly, using 2 of these was much better for the top because I can easily place the A much secure. The leaves, they come just like this, nothing special. I just stuck about 3 or 4 of these in here. The link for the leaves and stuff is also in the description. I kind of bend the leaves a little bit. You want to be careful to not really like poke holes into the diapers. And these flowers, I haven't even hot glued these yet. When I get ready to deliver the cake, I'm gonna hot glue the flowers in place just how I want them, but I haven't done it yet. So if you don't want to glue them, all I did was bend the stem how I wanted to stick inside the diapers the way I want to. A gold ribbon at the top is called rhinestone ribbon, and it's also in the description. I actually sewed part of this and then I hot glued it piece by piece going around on the ribbon. So this doesn't even come like this. I created this ribbon to go around here like that. Reached the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching. This is the end result. This is what you stayed all the way through the video for. Then I'm gonna add Prince Amir to the bottom using Cricut. Thanks again for watching this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. I know. Okay. Please don't watch my video. I keep getting hot and cold. Look how look.